Did you know the global social commerce market is projected to reach nearly $1.7 trillion by 2025? Social media is no longer just for connecting with friends, it's transforming how people shop. Today, we'll explore what social commerce is, why it's growing so fast, and how businesses can benefit from it.
Social commerce means buying and selling directly through social media platforms. Instead of just ads, these platforms allow complete shopping journeys, from discovery to purchase, without leaving the app. Think Instagram Shops, TikTok Shop, or Facebook Marketplace. These platforms are gaining popularity among consumers. The growth of social commerce is explosive. The numbers speak for themselves. The trend of social commerce is gaining more and more popularity with years. In 2024, social commerce generated $700 billion globally, up from $571 billion in 2023. By 2025, it's expected to hit $1.6 to $1.7 trillion. In the US alone, sales are forecasted to reach around $100 billion by 2025. The question is, why social commerce is growing? There are four major drivers behind this growth. First, consumer behavior. 82% of shoppers now use social media for product discovery. Second, Gen Z is leading the way, with over 70% of young shoppers buying through social platforms. Third, authenticity. User-generated content like reviews and photos drives trust and sales. And fourth, the rise of live stream shopping and video commerce, especially on TikTok and messaging apps. So, what makes social commerce different? On the plus side, it shortens the path to purchase, increases conversion rates, and allows access to powerful consumer insights. But there are challenges too: trust issues with new brands, heavy dependence on platform rules, and intense competition. How can businesses succeed in social commerce? Here are 6 strategies. Choose the right platforms based on your audience. Leverage user-generated content and micro-influencers. Create shoppable posts, reels, and live streams. Use data to refine campaigns. Deliver trustworthy customer experiences, clear pricing, and easy returns. Localize and personalize your content for stronger engagement. Looking ahead, expect even bigger changes: AI-powered personalization, augmented reality TriONS, and the continued boom in live stream shopping. In emerging markets, especially Asia, social commerce is already dominating, and the rest of the world is quickly catching up. Social commerce isn't just a trend, it's the future of e-commerce. Businesses that embrace it today will lead tomorrow. So whether you're a brand, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, it's time to start thinking social first.